How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are in the profile settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as turn on professional mode. So simply tap on it. And now here on the next page, simply tap on turn on button, and after that your Facebook account will be morphed into professional mode. And that's it. That's how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.